Sri Matre Namaha. I welcome you all devotees. In today's satsanga, we will see who are Nav Durga Matas and benefits and advantages of doing their spiritual practice. In Indian culture, worship of Durga Mata in 9 forms has been going on since ancient times. The form of Durga Mata is the unification of 3 powers: Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati and Mahakali. Now let us see who are Nav Durga Matas. Nav Durga is the divine forms of Adi Durga Mata. On Navaratri, they are worshipped by devotees and devotees keep fast on behalf of these Nav Durga Matas. You can worship them every day if you want, or you can worship them every month on Durga Ashtami. The 9 forms of Mother represents their 9 functions and 9 siddhis. The 9 forms of Adi Durga Mata are as follows: Shailaputri Durga, Brahmacharini Durga, Chandraghanta Durga, Kushmanda Durga, Skanda Mata Durga, Katyayani Durga, Kalaratri Durga, Mahagauri Durga and Siddhidatri Durga. Now let us see the benefits of doing Nav Durga Mata sadhana. By worshipping them, all the unwanted deeds of your previous life are cleansed. Their powers on this earth are capable of giving you the fruits of your worship immediately. Your any type of sankalpa are automatically fulfilled by their grace. There will be no demonic powers around you and in your house. Whatever problems is happening in your house, it can be solved easily by these 9 divines. The worshipper can also get Ashtamaha Siddhis by worshipping them. The Kundalini Shakti of the devotee is also easily awakened. With the practice, peace and happiness remains in your life and at home. If there is any danger on the devotee, then Durga Mata warns the seeker through the dream or any other means. And these 9 divine powers also removes the problems what will appear in front of you, or divine powers gives you information through some means to give you a solution to that appeared problem. It gives you a hint and also gives solution for the problem. Relationship problem between husband and wife can be solved through the practice of Nav Durga sadhana. Whatever health problems you have, they can be cured by this sadhana. So this was the few things about Nav Durga Mata and the advantages of doing their spiritual practice. In the coming videos, we will get to know about their details. If you take initiation of Durga Saptashati Kunjika Stotra, then you definitely get the benefits mentioned before. Thank you to all devotees. Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha.